Ginseng chicken soup. Ginseng, garlic, jujube, and other ingredients are carefully boiled to give a neat, fresh taste. The Sunbong Food Company Limited only uses fresh ingredients that are selected for quality and are exposed to high temperature for a long time for a deep taste. And foods that have been processed at a suitable temperature are blended using our know-how to suit the modern people's taste. All processes will automatically and rapidly be packaged, and the final inspection will be completed by checking the capacity of the product through weight screening and authenticated X-ray detection. Ginseng, garlic, jujube, and other ingredients are carefully boiled to give a neat, fresh taste. Natural ginseng chicken soup.